Good. Wonderful viewers, welcome back to MentalHealth. Your go-to destination for practical tips on leading a balanced and fulfilling life. Today, we are delving into a topic that affects many of us: anxiety. We'll explore understanding and management of anxiety, practical tips for every daily life. Anxiety is a natural part of life, but when it comes to overwhelming, it is important to have tools to manage it. So grab a notepad, let's dive into some practical tips. First things first, understanding anxiety is the key. Anxiety is our body's response to stress, but when it comes to chronic, it can interfere with our daily life. So understand these topics. Number 1. Identify triggers. The first practical tip is to identify your triggers. What situation or thoughts tend us to set off your anxiety? Understanding these triggers is the first step towards managing them. Take a few minutes each day to jot down your thoughts and feelings. This can help you identify and recognize the situation that contribute to your anxiety. Number 2. Breathing exercises. Now, let's talk about a simple but powerful techniques: breathing exercises. When anxiety strikes, our breath tends to become shallow and rapid. Let's combat that with the calming breathing exercises. Follow me what I do. Just inhale, inspire the air inside your brain like this. You have to hold up your air inside your nose for 3 to 5 seconds and then exhale it. We will move toward the third point, that is grounding techniques. Another effective strategy is grounding techniques. When anxiety takes over, bringing yourselves back to the present moment by focusing on your senses. Describe 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, and 2 things you can smell, and the 1 thing you can taste. The simple exercise can help shift your focus away from anxious thoughts. Number 4. Establish a routine. Establishing a daily routine can provide a sense of stability and predictability, which can incredibly comforting for those dealing with anxiety. Set consistent wake-up and bedtime. Schedule regular meals and allocate time for self-care. A well-structured day can reduce uncertainty and help managing anxiety levels. Number 5. Reach out for support. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. It's okay to ask for help. Whether it's talking to a friend, family, or seeking professional support, opening up about your feelings can make a significant difference. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and feelings. You will likely find that many people have experienced similar characters and challenges and can offer valuable insights. Well, there you have it. Practical tips for understanding and managing anxiety in your daily life. Remember, it is a process and small steps can lead to a big changes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And always take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.